Okay, so creating custom fields is one of the most important things for businesses to do within the platform. Every business uses information in a different way. Every business utilizes different data points and information points to give a better personalized experience to their clients. So what we've done here in the platform is enable the users to create their own individual custom fields to pull information such as business size, revenue amount, even the birthday of the contacts that you've added to your database, to ensure that you're following up with them and showing them that you care and showing that you're going after the right contacts in your business. So to go ahead and start creating custom fields, go ahead and click on contacts in the far left sidebar. It's going to open up our contacts database. Now, to reiterate what I mean about custom fields, if we click on a contact, you're going to see that we have a bunch of fields here for this contact. We have things like first name, last name, email, phone number, date of birth, business name, street address, state, website, time zone, and even more information. And so all this information is great. However, you might want more information or more specific information for your clients so that you can give the best service possible. So to do this, go ahead and go back to the main page of the contacts, and then go ahead and click on the settings icon up here in the top toolbar. This is now going to reveal the back end of all our fields within our contacts. So we can see here we have last name, first name, lost reason, lead value, stage, etc. So to add a custom field, go ahead and click on add field up here in the top right corner. And then we're going to see a bunch of new custom field options here that we can select. So we have text inputs, numerical values, choosing options, and others. So a text input could be a single line, multi-line, or a text box. A numerical value would be a number, a phone number, or a monetary value. Choosing option could be a drop-down, either single or multiple, a radio select, a checkbox, and a date picker. And others could be file upload or signature. For the sake of this tutorial, we're actually going to select a drop-down single box, and we're going to create a custom field asking our prospects to tell us how much revenue they're making so that we can better qualify our prospects in our sales process. So once you've clicked drop-down, go ahead and click on next. And now we're going to be able to actually select the options and create the options within our custom field. So go ahead and fill all this information in now. Okay, so once you've set up your custom field, in this case, we've set up a question: how much revenue does your business make? And that is less than $1 million, $1 million to $5 million, $5 million to $10 million, and $10 million plus. And we've had drop-down menus now of each one of these, so that these are selectable options that will pre-populate within our database once the prospect has selected them in the application process. You can also go ahead and select the group of what information you want this belonging to. In this case, we're going to do additional information. And you can also select the object. So whether it's a contact or an opportunity, we're going to click contact. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you can go ahead and click save. This has now created a custom field of how much revenue does your business make. So if we go back to our contact database by clicking go back, and by clicking on our contacts once again, we're going to see, if we scroll down on our contacts, that we now have a custom field which says how much revenue does no business make. Now, in our sales process, in our lead generation process, when we include this as a question on the form that a prospect fills out, they will now have the option to select the options that we created within our form. So if they select one of these options, then that option will appear within their contact card, allowing us to now better pre-qualify our leads coming through and better understand our sales process and make more money as a business. And so that is how you create custom fields within your contacts in the platform. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. If you'd like to know how to add these custom fields to forms that you can place on your website, go ahead and check out the form building tutorial within this course.